2020 Ram 1500 with less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, tinted windows, power driver seat. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.